Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to review two Michael Harding oil paints, Cadmium Yellow number 404 and the new neutral tint number 139, and then show you what happens when I mix them together. I also mix each of them with titanium white so you can see the full range of tints and tones these colors can create. Let's start with Cadmium Yellow Deep 404. This is a beautiful, rich, warm yellow, perfect for adding heat to highlights or mid-tones, especially in portrait work or natural light. It has a buttery texture, which makes it really smooth and easy to handle with a brush or palette knife. This color uses PY35, a classic cadmium pigment known for its strength and excellent light fastness. It's completely opaque and gives great coverage. And like all Michael Harding oil paints, it's handmade using traditional methods, which really shows in quality. Now let's take a look at the neutral tint number 139. This one is interesting. It's a dark, moody gray with subtle undertones of blue and violet. It's made with a mix of PBK6 and PB19 and PB15.3. So it has a cool undertone, but it still stays very neutral. It's semi-transparent, has a medium oil content and a strong tinting strength. It's great for deepening shadows, adding contrast, or toning down colors without killing their vibrancy. Also, it's non-toxic and vegan-friendly, which is always a plus. Okay, now let's mix them. When I mix Cadmium Yellow Deep with neutral tint, I get this earthy muted olive tone. The brightness of the yellow gets toned way down, creating this really neutral looking green, perfect for landscape or shadow work. Next, I mix Cadmium Yellow Deep with titanium white. The result: creamy, buttery yellow that is soft and luminous. The opacity of both pigments really helps here. It gives you this pastel-like tone that still feels rich and solid. Then I take neutral tint and mix it with titanium white. This gives me a beautiful scale of cool gray. You can see this subtle violet and blue undertone pop out as you lighten the mix. It's great for atmospheric effects, mist, shadows, you name it.